Hello viewers, many users have bought iPad 10th generation in Big Billion Days sale or Amazon Great Indian sale. They are using iOS devices for the first time, so this video is for them. In this video I will tell you how to set up iPad. So let's get started. First of all, you have to power on the device by clicking on this power button. Whenever you press and hold this button, a logo of Apple will appear, and then you have to select your preferred language. In this case I will select English. There are many languages, you can select other languages also if you want to. Next you have to select the country which you live in. In my case it will be India, so I will select India. After that you have to select how you would like text and icons to look on your iPad. There is default, medium and large. After that you have to click on setup without another device. Whenever you click on this you will get a page where you can see that there is written and spoken language. You have to click on setup later. You can select it in settings later. Now you have to choose a Wi-Fi network. As I have a Wi-Fi network, I will choose this Wi-Fi network and then I will proceed further. After you selected the Wi-Fi network, another page will open and there you can find data and privacy. You have to click on continue. Next, whether you want to use for yourself or for your child, you have to click on setup for myself and then it will appear Touch ID. You can apply Touch ID later. I will apply it later and I will choose a 4 numeric digits along with this tablet. Choose the password according to your choice. You have to remember this passcode in order to unlock your iPad. After that there is option of transferring your apps and data from iCloud backup or from another iPad or Mac or PC or from Android, or there is option on don't transfer anything. I will click on don't transfer anything. Then you have to put your Apple account. If you don't have Apple account, in that case you cannot use Play Store in iPad, so you have to create a new one if you don't have, and after that you have to put your credentials into this Apple ID and then you can proceed further. As you can see here, it is processing, so it will take some time and after that your iPad will be ready for use. After that another option will appear where you can see that you can use this iPad as a new device or you can transfer your apps and data from another old iOS devices. I will click on continue, then it will be there for update your iPad automatically. I will click on continue and then you can see that Siri and dictations will appear. I will select not now and then I will select. Now the process of setup is complete. You can see that this is the home screen. It feels very snappy, and after first boot up I will show you that about 51 GB is available in my iPad 10th generation. So you will get 51 GB available pre-storage. Though this is very minimum, it will be filled up very quickly and you have to move or you have to delete things regularly on your iPad 10th generation if you are buying the 64 GB version. As you can see here, though it is a 60 Hz panel, the display and the animation feels very snappy and it has a very good look, and it is running on iOS or iPadOS 18. Now I will show you how you can activate your Touch ID. You have to click on Touch ID and then you can select your fingers by which you can unlock your iPad 10th generation. Click on or touch on Touch ID. It will detect your finger, so place your finger properly. All the parts of your fingers will be detected and then the process is complete, and now you can unlock your iPad 10th generation very easily. So this is the setup process. Now if you drop down the notification panel from the right top, you can see that there are 3 panels actually, so you can add more settings here. So in this way you have to click on plus button. Now add control settings, you have to click like this. You can add as many control as you want. Also, you can delete the notification page. You can keep only one like this, so this gives a very good look. If you want, you can add 3. So this is how you can set up your iPad 10th generation or any other iPad. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.